Hello guys, it's been quite a while since I've done a video, and the simple reason is because if we look, it's pissing it down again. So it's absolutely chucking it down. Well, it was a minute ago. So I'm sat in my transit van. Now, as you can probably guess, well, by the noise it's making, it's quite loud on tick over, and there's a big knocking noise coming from the engine. Now, I don't know what it is, and when you Google stuff, you find all sorts of bloody answers, don't you? From injectors to bloody pistons to bloody diesel knock to everything. So I've done a bit of investigation, and there's been a common issue with the Mk7 transits is that dual mass flywheel. I don't know how they work, but from what I can gather, instead of it being a solid lump, it's like two bits stuck together, and what happens is a bearing in the middle goes, and that knocking noise, that tapping noise, it's the two plates banging together basically. So I don't know what the fuck to do. So anyway, so what I've done is to try and start off my diagnosis as cheap as possible, I've just shoved a load of this shit in, that Red X diesel stuff, thinking that if it's an injector that's blocked, that might just clean it. I have no idea if this stuff works or not. I think it came out in God 80s, didn't it? Whatever, 90s. So I don't know if it works or not, but anyway. So we will see. So what I'm going to do is take it round block, warm it up, and then I'll have a look under the bonnet. Right. It's got a bit warmer now. It's probably up to about 80 degrees, something like that, 75, 80 degrees. But there's two lights that's come on. One that looks like a car with a skid mark, and one an ABS light. And they came on after the van did a bit of a wheel spin. So I don't know what that's about. So what I tried to do was, behind me there's a bit of a long stretch. I sort of like floored it. Well, the rev counter went to maybe 3,500 revs, and then I changed it in a second, because the van, it starts perfect, there's no smoke, it accelerates perfect, it's just that bloody noise. So I don't know why them two lights have come on, and this fell down as well. That fell down, so I don't know what the fuck that is. Is it some sort of speaker or something? Or microphone or something? I don't even know what that is. Anyway, that fell down from somewhere, up here somewhere. I think it was on there, to be honest with you. I think it was up there like that. So I don't know what the hell that is. Maybe it's for the thinger. The other thing as well is, what's that for? It's obviously something you shove in, like a card or something. But what is it? Anyway, so I've got a transit manual. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that home and have a read of that, and we'll sort of like try and work out what the crack is, I think, with it. What's that for? Oh, that's for a bloody... Is that a door? I don't even know what that is. Should there be something there? I don't even know what that's off. Anyway. Fucking hell. Right. Right, I'll take it for a spin again. Okay, so I have noticed something. If you leave it ticking over for maybe a couple of minutes and then rev it, if you watch, you'll see a bit of smoke. Oh, Didn't do it then. Keep bloody doing it now. There's a tiny bit of smoke, so... Oh, there, look, you see it? There, a bit of smoke again, so I don't know if that's something to do with that shit I've just put in, or if that's the part of the problem, I don't know, but anyway. So... But it's, as you can see, the temperature's proper up now. You know, it's probably up to 100, isn't it now? Something like that. I hope you can see that. But I don't know. Right, so what I'll do now is I've got the bonnet up. I'll start the engine because you got to get the bonnet up. You got to take the key off. You know, the ignition. So I'll start it up. And then we'll have another look at this noise at the front. But you'll see it starts straight away. Well, if you know what I mean. So I don't know where this engine noise is coming from. It doesn't sound to be there, does it? Is that a little turbo? It is, isn't it? Is it? I don't know. And it doesn't sound to be there. It sounds to be there. But all the pulleys are fine. None of the pulleys are loose. It seems to be coming from here, doesn't it? I must admit, that doesn't look good, does it? With a cable tie there. So, I don't know what it is. But no, that doesn't look good at all with a cable tie there. I've only just spotted that. Why is there a cable tie on that fucking connector there? Because them look like newish injectors, don't they? Do you know there? It's quite clean, doesn't it? Let me see if I can turn the light on or something. How the fuck do you turn the light on? Oh, I don't know. Anyway, so they look quite clean, them injectors. But like you say, I don't know. Well, hang on. I think I can see loads of fuel. Right, 2 seconds. Right, I don't know if you can see that, but underneath that injector with that cable tie, there's a load of fluid. Can you see that? So I don't know if that's diesel or water, to be honest with you. I don't know what that is. That fluid there, I don't know what it is.